Hello everyone, we have uploaded several videos of quadratic equation and differentiation. These videos are very helpful for JEE main and also your JEE exam. Now today I shall tell you about a problem which is of the function f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. The link of the previous videos you can find from my description box below. Now we shall start today's class. Here the function fx is given that f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs to R, and if fx not equal to 0, fx not equal to 0 for all x belongs R and f dash 0 exists, then f dash x equals to a fx for all x belongs R, fx into f dash 0 for all x belongs R, fx plus f dash x for all x belongs R, and none of these. So what is given is that f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy, and also it is given that fx not equal to 0 and f dash 0 exists. So taking x is equal to y is equal to 0, we take x is equal to y is equal to 0. Then f of 0 plus 0 is equal to f of 0 into f of 0. Now f of 0 plus 0 minus f of 0 into f of 0, subtracting we get, or taking common f of 0 we get this is 1 minus f of 0. It is given that f dash 0 exists and f of putting x is equal to 0, it means that f of 0 not equal to 0. That means f of 0 not equal to 0. Then we get f of 0, 1 minus f of 0 is equal to 0. This implies that f of 0 is equal to 1. Now f of 0 is equal to 1. Now again f of x plus f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs R. Now taking y is equal to h belongs to R, we get f of x plus h is equal to fx into f of h for all x comma h belongs to R. Now subtracting f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to f of x into f of h into f of x. We subtract minus fx term in both sides, then we get, now dividing both sides by h, taking common f of h minus 1 dividing both sides by h or by h. As we know, h not equal to 0. Then what we get, this is fx into f of h minus 1 means this is f of 0 is equal to 1. So you can write, replacing 1 by f of 0, this is h, and if you balance it, then you get this is h plus 0 minus f of 0 by h. What we know from the definition of differentiation is that limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h is equal to f dash x. And second is that limit h tends to 0 limit x tends to c fx minus f of c by x minus c is equal to f dash, this is f dash c. So what we get from here is that this is equal to f of x plus h, taking limit both sides, limit h tends to 0 and also limit h tends to 0, we get, taking limit h tends to 0 on both sides, we get this is equal to f dash x and this is equal to fx into f dash h. This is equal to f dash h. Dividing both sides by h, we get this. And from we know that limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h is equal to f dash x, and limit x tends to c fx minus f of c by x minus c is equal to f dash c. This is the definition of differentiation. Now taking limit on both sides, limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h, this is equal to fx into limit h tends to 0 f h minus 1. 1 means you know that f of 0 is equal to 1, so we replace 1 by f of 0 by h, and we write here about this definition h minus 0. So what we get? We get is that from the definition limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h, that means f dash x, this is equal to fx into limit h tends to 0 fh minus f of 0, that means fx minus f of c by x minus c is equal to f dash c. Then limit h tends to 0 fh minus f of 0 by h minus c is equal to f dash 0. So from the 4 option we get f dash x equal to fx into f dash 0, fx into f dash 0. That means B is our correct answer. B is our correct answer. So the important step is that you have to put x, y is equal to 0. From here we get f of 0 is equal to 1. Now f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. Then subtracting both sides by minus fx and dividing by h, we get the required result. This is the answer 1. Next, this is also a similar problem. Let f R2R be given by f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs R, and fx not equal to 0 for all x belongs R, and f dash 0 is equal to log 2. Then fx equals to, here it is given that fx not equal to 0 for all x belongs R. From here we can decide that if x is equal to 0, then f of 0 is not equal to 0. Now f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. Putting x suman y suman 0, we get f of 0 plus 0 is equal to f of 0 into f of 0. Or you can write it in this way, that f of 0 minus f of 0 into f of 0, this is equal to 0. Or taking common of f of 0, we get 1 minus f of 0 is equal to 0. As we have earlier said that f of 0 not equal to 0, then this term is not equal to 0, then this term will be 0. Then 1 minus f of 0 is equal to 0, or f of 0 is equal to 1. Again, f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs R. Now taking y is equal to h, f of x plus h is equal to fx into f of h. Now subtracting f of x plus h minus fx is equal to fx into f of h minus fx. We subtract fx in both sides. What we get is that taking common f of h minus 1, and this is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Now dividing both sides by h, we get, dividing both sides by h, we get this. Now taking limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x into f of h minus 1 by h. So by definition, what we know is that this is f dash x, and this is equal to fx, and this term will be limit h tends to 0, f of h, 1 means f of 0, f of h minus f of 0 by h minus 0. That means this is equal to fx into f dash h, or sorry, you can write it f dash 0. You know, it is given that f dash 0 is equal to log 2. So from where we get f dash x is equal to fx into f dash 0 means log 2. Now we have to find out the function fx, or f dash x by fx is equal to log 2, or f dash x mane, f dash x means d of fx by fx, this is equal to log 2 into dx. Or integrating we get log fx is equal to log 2 into integration of dx means x plus integration constant c. C is the integration constant. C is the integration constant. Or log fx is equal to, this is x log 2 plus log c. This can be written as log 2 to the power x into c log fx. So fx is equal to c into 2 to the power x. So we have to find out the function fx. Then the function fx is c into f. Oh, there is another condition is that f of 0 is equal to 1. F of 0 is equal to 1. The condition is that f of 0 is equal to 1. Then taking x is equal to 0, this is equal to c into 2 to the power 0. That means c, f of 0 is equal to 1. So we get c is equal to 1. So our required answer is fx is equal to 2 to the power x. Fx is equal to 2 to the power x. So B is the correct answer. Our answer is B. Now we shall proceed to the third example. Now this is the third problem. It is given that f R2R is given by f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. I have already told you that I am discussing here the same problem that begins with f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. These problems are very important for your upcoming exam, and that is for mains or JEE. For all x, y belongs to R, and if fx is equal to 1 plus x into gx into log 2, where limit x tends to 0 gx is equal to 1, then f dash x is equal to log 2 to the power fx, log fx square, log 2 and none. So you know that you have to start with this function f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy. Now substituting y by h, then f of x plus h is equal to fx into f of h. Now subtracting minus fx on both sides, we get f of x plus h minus fx. This is equal to fx into f of h minus f of x. Dividing both sides by h, then f of x plus h minus fx by h is equal to fx f of h minus 1 by h. And limit h tends to 0, we get f of x plus h minus fx by h is equal to fx into limit h tends to 0, f of h minus 1 by h. You know from the definition of derivative, this is equal to f dash x is equal to fx limit h tends to 0, f of h minus 1 by h. Now it is given that f of x is equal to 1 plus x gx log 2. Then f of h is equal to 1 plus h g of h log 2 basic. Now substituting this value we get. Now substituting the value of fh, we get f dash x is equal to fx into limit h tends to 0. F of h means 1 plus h g of h log 2 minus 1 divided by h. Cancelling 1 both sides, we get fx into limit h tends to 0. Cancelling h, we get gh into log 2. Now limit h tends to 0 gh. It is also given that limit h tends to 0 g x, sorry, x tends to 0 gx is equal to 1, or we can write limit h tends to 0 gh, this is equal to 1. So this part, limit h tends to 0 gh, this is equal to fx into 1 into log 2, and limit h tends to 0 gh is equal to 1, and from here you get this is equal to log 2 to the power fx. From here we get this is log 2 to the power fx, and this is equal to f dash x. So your required answer is A. So A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Here you have to find out the function f dash x, and if you have to find out the function fx, if you have to find out the function fx, then what to do? Fx is given, so it's okay. Then this is your answer.